Let's draw a train. Train simply starts with a bunch of squares and rectangles. Here's the main body of the train. And then this is the window where the conductor stands with a roof. And then the chimney or stack where the smoke comes out of. I don't know the exact name of it. Circle for the wheels. And a triangle here. And there's the basic shapes for a train engine. So now we're going to go in and connect them all and add some details. So I'm just going to draw those basic shapes again. For this, I'm going to kind of round it a little bit so it doesn't look so boxy. Curve the top. Put a little curved line here and a curved line here. And curve it where it meets the main part of the train. I'm going to curve the front of my train. Draw those lines. And my wheels. Now for the triangle in the front, I'm going to just curve that a little bit. Add a few details like holes in it. Going to add a window here. Curve the top of the roof. Put some curved lines into the engine itself so it doesn't look so flat. This will give it more of a rounded look. Then maybe there's some smoke coming out of the stack over here, the chimney. So just make some curved lines connected. A couple more in there, make it look a little busier. Some trains have the two wheels connected. So I'm going to connect the wheels. Now I could either have the conductor in the train, or I could put a reflection on the window just by making some lines, and it looks like there's a reflection on the window. Can make a little piece back here that would be a hookup for another car. And then if I wanted to, I could add some train tracks just by drawing some straight lines. If I want to get more detailed, I could add the tracks themselves just by adding some angular lines so it looks like it's more dimensional. There you go, a train engine.